habitats are where animals live. It's like their home. Like we live at 223 Furnace Dock. Well, animals live in different.
Could break like nest one. They could break bird ones.
You're playing with an animal card. Try touching a picture to hear an animal sound or a fun fact.
Mr. Narrator.
He does sound like the narrator on.
This animal is a mammal. This animal is not endangered.
It endangers birds, insects that don't nest. Predators.